It's Friday, December 6, 2024. It's 9:01 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. Keeping one eye on this GXAI third highest gainer, up 110%. Had a nice move up here, but rolled right over. High of day is 319 back here on this wick. It does have good news on it. Evidently, they have a new visual editor for gaming developers. I assume that's pretty big news for people in that field. Had a huge upward candle back here, just a monster, and then rolled right down. Trying to make a new high at the moment. Again, high of day is 319. I'm very interested in this stock if it can continue up and at least hold above the $3 mark, because I like the news on it. It does have good news. So I'll keep my eyes on things and I'll return. I have an order in on GXAI and I am in at 336 with 70 shares. See if it can continue this upward movement. Profit and losses down here. Trying to pull itself up. Buyers are in control of this candle at the moment. My price is actually 336 with 70 shares. It is the second highest gainer, up 135%. Still showing some strength. And I'm out. Just didn't trust this thing. A little bit of struggle. Watch it boom up now that I sold. Let's go see what we did. All right, just a little baby scalp, $3.50 on that trade, 1.3% gain. I was in this minute and a half, in at 336, out at 341 with 70 shares. Just didn't have a lot of faith it was going to continue upward. However, it did continue up for a little bit after I got out. But that's just the trading world. That happens. Sometimes you just take what you can get. Not every trade can be a killer monster hit. So I'm green on a Friday. I'm happy with that. Hey, thanks a lot for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.